Is it possible to force pandas not to convert data type when using DataFrame.replace? Here's a working example. df.replace, column, raises an overflow error because somewhere in the code the convert flag is set to true. I'm not sure, but it is probably because pandas is inferring that it only contains numbers. I read the data from an Excel workbook and I want to prevent this conversion when using df.replace. Is there a way to do so?
How about this? This will apply .replace only to columns of a string, object, dtype.